Hello everyone, I'm Shubhayan Sahu. I'm a PhD student at the University of Maryland, and I'm going to be showing you a few experiments today that demonstrate the concept of simple harmonic motion. So simple harmonic motion is all around us. It's a description of anything and everything that you see around us which is oscillating without much damping or driving force. So in these four experiments or four apparatus that we have on the table today, I'm going to be demonstrating that each of these follows simple harmonic motion in some way or the other. So let's start with the simple pendulum, which is just a mass which is hanging from a string. And if I leave this mass at a certain height and release it, it keeps oscillating. And what we have here is an example of a simple harmonic motion because the force that is making it oscillate is a linear restorative force. So when I release it at a certain height, the force that is acting on it to pull it down is linear in the displacement. Similarly, we have a physical pendulum here, which is just a bar, a solid bar of a metal, which is oscillating across a pivot. And again, if I leave this physical pendulum at a certain height, it keeps oscillating without much damping and no driving force. I'm clearly not driving it after I release it. So again, this is an example of a simple harmonic motion where the force that is driving it is a linear restorative force. The third example is a mass on a spring. So we have a spring which is supporting the mass of this ball, and now suppose I extend this spring a little bit and then I leave it. Then what you see is that the mass bobs up and down. Again, this is an example of a simple harmonic motion without much damping or driving force. Right. So let me now come to the fourth example of this is a stringless pendulum, or this is literally a ball just rolling along a well. Now, if I leave the ball, say, from a certain height, what we will see again is that the ball keeps rolling, oscillating across the well, and it goes up to the same height on the other side, and it keeps coming back. And again, this is an example where the force that is acting on the ball to pull it down is linear restorative force, and there is not much damping and no driving, external driving. And so all these four examples that you're seeing here are different examples of simple harmonic motion that you'll learn more about. Thank you.